The document titled EH402005 Workplace Exposure Limits, published by the Health and Safety Executive, HSE, provides a comprehensive list of workplace exposure limits, WELLs, for hazardous substances, which are essential for compliance with the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health Regulations 2002, as amended. Here are the key points from the document. Regulatory context. WELLs are part of the broader framework of control measures under COSH, which mandates that employers must prevent or control worker exposure to hazardous substances. For substances classified as carcinogens, mutagens, and asthmagens, exposure must be minimized to as low as reasonably practicable, ALARP. This document is a critical resource for employers and safety professionals to ensure compliance with health and safety regulations concerning hazardous substances in the workplace. For further details or to access the full document, you can visit the HSE website.